ThePintasticGirls!
Hi, I'm Bethany.
Hi, I'm Abigail. I'm Dark Vader.
And we're the Pintastic Girls. May the 4th be with you. Happy Star Wars Day, everybody. And we are going to celebrate Star Wars Day by making BB8 Muddy Buddies. We found this pin on the website ashleymarie.com, and I'll link that down below for you to see.
Monkey!
We are Star Wars fans in this house, right? And we have Darth Vader that came to visit us today. Hi, Darth Vader.
Hi.
Have you come to make some BB8 Muddy Buddies with us today? Are you excited? Okay. This is what we're going to do. We're going to start. We need to take a stick of butter, 2 cups of chocolate chips, Darth Vader. Since you are from the dark side, could you pour in those dark chocolate chips into this bowl, please? Thank you. So it's a whole bag of chocolate chips, which equals 2 cups. And then we're going to take a cup of peanut butter and put this in the bowl. Put that in. We got some stormtroopers here, right?
I'm not a stormtrooper. I'm Abigail. It's a stormtrooper's t-shirt, though. I'm Abigail. I'm Darth Vader. A baby.
Okay. You're a baby?
Baby.
Are you a baby stormtrooper? Okay.
We have t-shirts on.
So the next step is you're going to take this mixture here and you're going to put it in the microwave for, it says 60 seconds.
60.
Oh wait, did I forget? No. So 60 seconds and I will be right back.
16 or 60?
60.
60 seconds.
Okay, so a minute
what is that?
has gone by and we are going to stir this together here.
How about that?
I'll get that.
It doesn't look so good.
So we are stirring.
Ew. Yucky. It actually does look a little bit good. What does it taste like, actually?
Ooh, I just got some on my hand. Get me a napkin.
Ew.
Mix.
Yucky. Yucky.
Okay, where's my tablespoon? Okay, when that's mixed, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Vanilla. Hey, I'm ready to do the black stuff.
You want to help?
I'm ready to do the black stuff.
Okay, mix that up. Okay, why don't you give it to Darth Vader for a turn? Here, Darth Vader. Mix
Can I
it
like
up.
a spoon of peanut butter?
Sure. Okay. Next is, after that's mixed together, we have here 12 cups of corn checks. So we're going to pour this over the corn checks here.
Are you going to mix it?
And mix it. Look at this chocolate peanut butter goodness here going into this bowl. Now I've had Muddy Buddies before, but I don't think these girls have. So they're in for a big treat. So carefully now, we need to be very careful to mix. Okay, you gonna help me? Okay.
This
You gonna do it?
tastes good. No.
It's really tricky. We don't want to lose any cereal like we are. Let me make sure it's evenly coated. What, Darth Vader?
What is this called?
This?
Fantastic Girls.
Yes.
Ooh.
Now, Darth Vader, you are now an honorary Pintastic Girl.
Hey! Darth Vader's not a girl.
I know.
It tastes good.
Yes, and it's not even done yet. Okay. That looks coated. Okay, this is
That's good.
the interesting part here. Okay. We gonna take a garbage bag here.
What? You're gonna throw in the garbage?
We're gonna throw it in the garbage. So it says to pour half the powdered sugar, which we have 3 cups of powdered sugar. So we're gonna put half of it.
What are we doing?
Oh, you will see. So half of it in there. Okay.
What in the
And now I need help, girls. Hold the bag open. Okay. Hold that bag open, Darth Vader. And we're gonna
What are we doing?
pour this inside.
Why are we doing this?
I don't know. It's gonna tell me to do. Okay, give me the spoon. Hold it up, girls. Hold the bag.
Hold the bag, Rosie.
Hold the bag, Rosie. Pull that.
Oh.
I mean, Darth Vader. Rosie's not here today. Where did Rosie go? Darth Vader.
I think he went outside and played.
Oh, she's outside playing.
Hi, Rosie! Hi.
Okay, and then we're gonna pour the rest of the powdered sugar on top. Okay. Now
Shake it.
we're gonna shake it up. So let's close it up. We have to put air inside. So we got air in there, right? And we're gonna shake it. You ready, girls? Shake it.
Shake. This is fun. How about some? Why is powdered sugar coming out?
Ah! I think we got a slight little hole in our bag here. Darth Vader, do you want to give it a shake?
Oh. But it tastes good.
Ah!
Where's the
Can you all see the cloud of powdered sugar that is now surrounding us? Okay.
There's powdered sugar on my chin.
Abigail, could you wash out that bowl for me so we can put them back in there? Go wash that bowl out in the sink and wipe it out.
With a paper towel.
In the sink, rinse it out. Your turn. Shake it.
I think that's enough.
Ooh, it looks good in there. Okay.
If I do the M&M's, there's black.
I just did a quick wash of the bowls that we had. Just drying it off. I'm gonna do the reveal. But first, we have we went to our local candy store and we got orange, gray, and black M&Ms to represent BB8.
You need to tell them where you bought them.
I said the local candy store. So let's we'll pour it in here. Ready?
Now we're going to shake it again.
I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. Okay.
Oh, they're not all inside.
Okay.
Let me get try one.
Just shake it up a little bit. Get them all mixed.
It tastes like regular M&M's.
Okay, and we're gonna pour them in the bowl. Are you ready? Wow.
Can you try, please?
Let's do it together. Let's first see here. Look how pretty. I'm gonna try to get the M&Ms to show. Let's show everybody. Look how nice it looks. Okay, you ready? We're all gonna try it on the count of 3. Take an M&M and take a little Muddy Buddy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What do you think, Darth Vader?
Really good.
Good? What do you think, Abigail?
The best thing I ever tasted before.
The best thing you ever tasted? How about you, Holly? What do you think?
Good.
It's good. It's just as delicious as I remembered. It's so good. So, I think we had a fantastic result here, right, girls?
Okay.
We're gonna celebrate May the 4th and Star Wars. And comment down below and let us know how you're celebrating your May the 4th. Or maybe what your favorite Star Wars character is. We all know,
It might be me.
it might be, if it's Darth Vader, let Darth Vader know. Because Darth Vader wants fans, right?
Mm-hmm.
So Darth Vader, what should everybody do for our channel? Should they give a thumbs up? What else should they do? Subscribe?
Mm-hmm.
Subscribe, because Darth Vader says so. If you don't subscribe, Darth Vader might come and get you. Right? Ah! So, please like, please subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of great content coming up to you soon. And so, see you again. Bye.
Thank you for watching. I'm watching.
Okay.